In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your videos at 60 frames per second, or FPS, using Capcut on your iPhone. Whether you're aiming for that professional video look, or simply want smoother motion in your projects, exporting at 60 FPS can make a significant difference. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily achieve this with just a few taps. First, you'll want to start by opening the Capcut app on your iPhone. If you haven't finished editing your video yet, now is the time to do so. Take a moment to cut, arrange and polish your clips until you're satisfied with the final product. Capcut provides an array of tools at your fingertips, allowing you to trim clips, apply transitions, and add any effects or text that you need to tell your story effectively. Once your video is ready and all set for export, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see an icon that resembles an upward arrow or a box with an arrow pointing out of it. This is the export icon. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed to the next step. Now that you're on the export screen, you have the option to customize the settings of your exported video. One critical aspect to ensure smooth playback is the frame rate. FPS, which stands for frames per second, determines how smooth your video will appear. For regular motion, 30 FPS is standard, but for smoother, more dynamic motion, 60 FPS is ideal. To adjust this, locate the section of the screen that mentions frame rate or FPS. Give it a tap and you'll be presented with a list of options. From the list you'll see several frame rate choices. Navigate through these options and select 60 FPS. This selection ensures that your video will have that crisp, fluid motion you're aiming for, which is particularly beneficial for action shots or fast-moving subjects in your footage. With 60 FPS selected, you're almost done. The last thing to do is to hit that export button. It's prominently displayed and usually situated towards the bottom of the screen. When you tap export, Capcut will do its magic, processing the video with your selected 60 FPS setting. It might take a moment, so be patient as your iPhone works to render your video at this higher frame rate. Once completed, your video will be saved to your camera roll or photo gallery, ready to be shared with the world or just kept for personal viewing. And there you have it, a smoothly edited and beautifully rendered video at 60 FPS, ready to wow anyone who watches. I hope this guide has been helpful and you'll see the difference 60 FPS can make in your projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.